How to delete Facebook account. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Now, navigate to the menu page. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now, head over to the section Account Center. Now, scroll down and click on the option Personal Details. Click on Account Ownership and Control. Click on the option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on your Facebook username. Now, select the option of Delete Account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook. Your main profile, your messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. Click on Continue. Click on Continue again. Now give a reason why do you want to delete your account and click on Continue. Now scroll down. Click on the option Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your password for the security purpose. Type in that and click on Continue. That your account will be scheduled for deletion. After completion of 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. But within 30 days of period, you are able to use your Facebook account's credentials and get back your account. So this way you can easily delete your Facebook account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.